How to export a calendar from Outlook to an Excel spreadsheet. So here I am in the classic version of Outlook, or the Outlook application for the Microsoft 365. So you can only export a calendar to an Excel spreadsheet by using this classic version of Outlook. So if you are using the new or the web version of Outlook, you don't have that feature. So from here, if you want to go ahead and export your calendar, you can just go right here to File, and then click Open and Export, and then click Import/Export right here. From here, you need to select Export to a file, and then click Next, and then you need to choose this one, comma separated values, or in other words, this is a CSV file. So from here, click Next, and then you just need to select your calendar right here. So we can scroll up, we can see calendar right here, or if you want to go ahead and export a more specific calendar, for example, you can select them right here as well. So I'm just going to select the default calendar, then click Next, and then from here, you just need to select the location of where you want to save your file, as well as the name of your file right here. So I have the name right here, export calendar to Excel.csv. So if you want to change that, you can just go ahead and type in the name that you want to include right here. So from here, I can click Next, and then we just need to turn on this one, the export appointments from folder, which is the calendar. From here, click Finish, and then you just need to select the date range that you want to export your calendar. So right now, the date range is set to April 1, 2026 up until August 1, 2026. So if you want to change this, go ahead and just change the date range right here, but I will just use the default range that is already right here. So it will export my calendar from April up until August 1, 2026. From here, click OK, and then you just need to wait for that to finish, and now the export is complete. So I can open my downloads folder right here, and then we should now see the CSV file right here, which is the export calendar to Excel. So we can double click that so we can see the content. And then from here, we can now see all of the content from from my calendar right here. I can just go ahead and adjust the spacing right here of the Excel spreadsheet. And then we can now see the details right here. So we have the subject right here. We have the start time, and then the start date, end time. Right here, you have the all-day event, reminder on and off, reminder date, reminder time, meeting organizer, optional attendees, meeting resources, billing information, categories, description, location, mileage, priority, private, sensitivity, and then the show time right here. And then that is basically it. So we can go ahead and see all of the details of my calendar right here is now exported to an Excel spreadsheet, along with the details of the events that I have in my calendar. And then that is basically it. So again, you can only do this using this classic version of Outlook. So if you are using the new or the web version of Outlook, you don't have that feature right there as of the time of making this video. And then that is basically it. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.